What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on the YN360 version 2 lights. I've had these lights for a few months now and I thought I'd do a review on them just to give you my take, what I think about them, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this is the light right here. Pretty nice design, as you can see. Sort of looks like a lightsaber, kinda, not really. So basically what it is a light panel with RGB lighting in it, so red, green and blue, as well as your usual tungsten lighting, so studio sort of lighting. The on and off switch is at the very top of the light, with the rest of the buttons being at the bottom. So once you turn on, you have your RGB setting, you have your battery setting to check how much battery you have left, you have your fine or coarse setting, which determines how fast or slow you want to speed through the brightness, and you also have the tungsten setting, which determines how warm or how cold you want your look to be. The light also comes with a tripod mount at the very bottom of it, so you can mount it to a tripod or other stands. The lights also come with a portable battery charger. These don't have inbuilt batteries, you charge them from the top. Regardless, the battery life is pretty good on these. They run for about 4 hours, so really good battery life. Obviously I bought these for the RGB settings. I think that's why everyone buys them. You have the choice to cycle through, like I said, the obviously red, green or blue cycles, as well as you can create your own little color combinations. The only concern I have with these lights is that I do wish the brightness of these lights were a bit stronger in terms of the RGB. So if you're thinking of lighting a whole set like in Big Sean's Halfway Off the Balcony music video,
I'm hanging halfway off the balcony, overthinking,
you're gonna be pretty mistaken. With one or two, I bought two by the way, you're probably only able to light a few people or a small room itself. So I will leave a link in the description of this video below of where I purchased these. Go check them out, tell me what you think. But yeah, thank you for watching this review guys. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and once again, JustPlay. Peace.
Yeah, that way. Big Dyko, get it, don't make it great.